Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to update the email address in Google Workspace. Updating a user ID in Google Workspace involves modifying the unique identifier associated with a user account. This process is typically performed by administrators using the Google Workspace admin console. By accessing the user settings, administrators can locate the user ID field and make the necessary changes. Updating user ID ensures organizational consistency and facilitates employee lifecycle changes and supports system integration and synchronization. It is important to communicate the changes to the affected users and update their login information accordingly. So now I am going to show you how to update the email address. Before that, you need to open your Google Workspace admin console using your administrator user ID and password. Now I am going to open my admin console. You can simply open your admin console using this URL admin.google.com. From this Google Workspace admin console, you can click on this users option. Now you can search for the user whose ID you want to update using their name, email address or other identifying information. Now I am going to click on this user. There is one update user option is available. You can click on this update user button for updating your user information. Now you can enter your name. After entering the details, you can click on this update user button for updating your user details. Now the name and primary email updated. Now you can refresh this page because it will take some seconds to update. Now the ID has been updated. So this is the process for updating the user ID in Google Workspace admin console. I hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching our video.